Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the keyboard, safety first. Once done, photograph the key layout so you can restore orientation. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the floating keycap from one corner, lift straight up to avoid breaking the retainer. If resistance is high, stop and reassess. Make sure to keep small parts in a shallow dish. You'll already be able to see whether the scissor clip is intact or if dirt is holding the mechanism up. Now you inspect the exposed mechanism. You're looking at the scissor hinge and the plastic clips that anchor the keycap. If the clips are broken, you remove the damaged clip with tweezers and swap in a replacement. Many keys use identical clips from a donor key. If grime is the problem, blow compressed air and gently clean with 90% isopropyl on a swab. Make sure the hinge arms align evenly and the rubber dome sits centered. To finish, align the scissor assembly into its frame and snap the hooks into place. You should feel slight resistance as the clips engage. Once the retainer is stable, place the keycap over the stems and press evenly until you hear a click. Do not force one corner first. Then power on and test the key for travel and electrical response. If the key still floats or misfires, swap in a new clip or call a repair shop. Alternatively, a replacement key module usually cures persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.